What's up, guys? We are making another video talking about one of our new products we have on our site, which is our minis. These come in sets of 10. They're about Polaroid size, as you can see. They have this awesome matte paper so you don't get the glossy glare. And we're going to share with you guys a fun way to display these. Super simple, easy, nice DIY. So let's check it out.
Audio MG.
Thanks so much, guys, for watching this quick little tutorial on a fun way to display our minis. We are going to be coming out with some more videos on some new ways of doing that. Next time we're going to be using some. So if you guys liked this video, let us know. Leave some comments. And if you guys have some ideas, share them with us and we'd love to make a video about it.